Hello, I'm Simon Smith, Consultant Chef at Cookers and Ovens, and today we're looking at the C17WR01N0B built-in microwave from Neff. This model is from Neff's Premium Collection 3, which means the control panel comprises of a 2.5-inch TFT full colour display. The beauty of this is that if you order all your appliances from the same collection, they will all work in the same way. The door on this particular model is mounted on the right, but you can also have it mounted on the left, which is the C17WR01N0B, depending on the configuration of your kitchen. The microwave has 5 power settings from 90 watt to 900 watt and comes complete with 7 automatic programs. The microwave has a capacity of 21 litres, which is large enough to fit a full-size dinner plate inside easily. So that's the Neff C17WR01 microwave, a powerful microwave with a great design.